Hello friends, have you ever feel like your money just disappears the moment it hits your bank account? Yeah, I know the feeling. Until I started using a Google Sheet with the intention of saving at least 20% of my monthly income. A system I've built to make sure my savings are consistent month after month. Now you might think I can save money without even tracking it, but here's the thing. Mental accounting doesn't work, especially when it comes to saving money or in personal finance in general. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I use the system to save consistently and how you can too. Now this isn't a complicated finance software. I just use a simple Google Sheet, just a clear, smart system that helps me stay on track and hit every single savings goal. I believe in something that whatever gets measured gets managed. Now, if you're trying to lose weight, for example, you would measure your progress, right? You won't just assume that you're on track. Similarly, it is for savings. You need to see it visually and measure every single progress of yours. And when you see the progress visually, let me tell you, you wouldn't need an external motivation. You will do it for your own sake. Now let's go to the screen and check the system that I'm talking about. I'll show you exactly how it's set up and how I do it consistently. So we're on the screen and you can see the Google Sheet. I'll focus on the savings dashboard for this video, and I'll also put the link in the description. Feel free to download it. And I also have a separate video for my overall money management using this tool. I'll put the link for that video as well. Feel free to check it out. But anyway, so to start this setup, we'll have to go to the Setup tab and add our savings goals. So the category of savings that I want to do. So I did emergency fund, savings for investment, and for traveling. So those are the three types of savings that I want to do. So I've put that there in the setup. And if you scroll down, there will be a place where you have to put your goal amount, the starting balance if I have any, and my monthly estimated contribution. So I've put that in. Once I've put that in, these information will be used to generate my personalized savings and sinking fund dashboard. Now, because I'm tracking my monthly expense, income, expense, everything, you can see my entire monthly dashboard. I can see my individual monthly savings. So for January, for February, for March. So for all the months up until first week of June, because we are in the first week of June. So I've got my individual monthly saving in the monthly dashboard. Now, if you go to the savings dashboard, we can see the summary is automatically generated from the information that you entered in the setup tab, as well as the monthly transactions. And this gives you a quick overview of your total goal amount, where you started, and how you're doing, and how much is still left for you to achieve those savings goals. So this tool helps me to understand where I'm at individually. So let's say for the emergency fund, I can see I've set up for a goal amount of $8,000 and I've saved almost $5,000. So around $3,000 is still left, and we're halfway there because the estimated months left is 6. So we're in June, so we've got 6 more months to save that remaining $3,000. So it gives you an understanding of where you're at. Similarly for investment, I've set a goal of $25,000. And I've saved around $7,000 so far. So it gives you those individual breakdown of those individual goals. So this tool works perfectly for me. And so I just wanted to give you a demo of the tool that I'm using for my personal finance and savings goal, so that you can also maybe think of using it and get better at your personal finance. Tracking is one thing, and doing it consistently is where the real magic is. And here's what I do. Every Sunday evening, I schedule for 15 minutes, which I call my money routine, where I review my week, update the sheet, and reflect on anything that I haven't done right. It's quick, it's visual, and there's absolutely no guesswork involved. And it keeps me updated and the clarity that I need. So there you have it. This is exactly how I track my savings. If you want to use the same system, I've put the link below. Feel free to check it out. If you like what I do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share with someone you really care about. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.